I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on your keyboard. So let's pick, for example, maybe Greek, tap done, and now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see right now, I have Greek layout on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.